We are on week 39 of the Persimmon Challenge. That is where I try and acquire the taste for a persimmon. I was reading through some of the comments and I realized some of you just tuning in had absolutely no idea what was going on here. It was just me eating persimmon. That must have been very confusing. So yeah, at one point, man, it's gotta be like 9 months ago now. I went to a party, people were eating persimmons. I saw that, I tried persimmon, it was awful. And I was like, there's gotta be a reason for this. I probably haven't just acquired the taste for it yet. And I'm doing that now. The other thing I remembered is I was at a party. Everyone else was having fun. I was very confused about these fruit, the persimmon. Maybe I just haven't had the right fun aspect yet. And we're gonna do that today. Cue the music. I'm almost there. Oh! I look across the room. What is that? Oh, me? Are you looking at me? It's a persimmon? Hold on. I'm gonna act not interested for a sec. Oh, me? Huh. No, it didn't help at all. Not even a little bit. This was actually one of the worst bites I've taken.
Jory's on a mission.